Are you a high school student who aims for a college education? Do you feel that your college application portfolio will be a regular one? Come and join our e-mentoring program. Tell us what majors you're interested in. We'll match you with a highly qualified mentor who's either a professional from a top company or a researcher from a top university. Meet with your mentor online once a week for 12 weeks. Work on a project under the supervision of your mentor. Learn about the areas that you're interested in. Develop your knowledge and skills. When you accomplish your project, you'll be awarded a certificate. Your mentor will also give you letters of recommendation for your college applications. Add your accomplishments into your resume and turn your college application portfolio into an exceptional one. For more information, visit us at techdevacademy.com.